Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So for this video, I will gonna show you how you can stop Facebook on notifying your birthday to your friends, so if you are interested then keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want me to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So to stop Facebook from notifying your birthday to your friends, of course, first you will need to open your Facebook app. Once you've opened your Facebook, now tap the menu button on the top right corner of your screen. After that, scroll down until you find Settings and Privacy. Once you've found it, go and tap it. And then tap Settings. Once you're on Settings, the next step is to tap this. And then go to Personal Details. And right here, you will now be able to see your birthday on Facebook, just go and tap it. And after that, you will see this blue thing that says, "Who can see your birthday on Facebook?" Once you see it, just go and tap it. And then tap Change Visibility on Facebook. So we are now on the last part guys, so to stop Facebook from notifying your friends about your birthday, you will need to set your date of birth and birth year to private. To do that, all you need to do is tap this. Then tap More Options. And then here you can now select Only Me to set your date of birth to private. After that, do the same thing for your birth year too. And after you finish setting it both to Only Me, scroll down until you find the Save button. Once you've found it, go and tap it. And after that, it's done. Facebook will now stop notifying your friends about your birthday. Facebook respects privacy settings, including those related to personal information like birthdays, so when you set your birthday to Only Me, it's understood that you prefer to keep this information private and not share it with others. As a result, Facebook won't notify your friends about your birthday to respect your privacy preferences. So that's just how you do it guys. Now that you've watched this video you can now do it yourself. So that concludes our tutorial video for today. I hope it helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and also you can comment down below if you have some questions or if you have a problem that you want me to make tutorial about. So that's all guys, see you in my next video. Thanks for watching, goodbye.